Okay, we are here to take apart the allegedly bulletproofed 5.4 liter bulletproof engine.
It's bulletproof, but not valve-proof.
But not valve-proof. Yes, my engine that I had been working so hard and diligently on busted an exhaust valve, and that caused a catastrophic event to occur where the valve end was bouncing up and down inside of the cylinder, hit the piston, cracked, busted, destroyed the piston. So there was no piston left, just the top of the rod and the wrist pin. And so Dr. Unknown Mechanic and I are working on it here. What do you think, Dr. Unknown? Are we going to be able to pull this out and have a successful transplant?
Oh, yeah.
This will be the second one, right?
Yeah, I've done it before.
Done it before. So there you go. Take a good look at that. That is my well-touted, well-documented mini videos how to bulletproof your 5.4 engine that got shot by the golden bullet in the exhaust valve. How often does an exhaust valve break? Just not very often. Alright, so here's what we got to do. We're just going to start. Let me turn this around. And we just need to start pulling things apart. There goes the reservoir. We have the PP Boy on the bottom of the radiator is doing its thing, draining into a bucket. And then a lot of the coolant has emptied out into the engine, down into the oil pan. So we're going to have to, well, we have to drain that out anyway, but it's going to be extra full of coolant and everything. So other than that, we're just going to be turning wrenches here for a day, and then we have the engine hoist is at the other end of the shop, and we'll be ready to pull this out. Got to pull out that fan shroud radiator, the fan, remove the belt. Actually, we'll undo the harmonic balancer first. We got to pull that out, and then we can take care of some other stuff. So there's, when you get a rebuilt engine, there's several things you need to keep. We need to remove and keep the valve covers, intake manifold, harmonic balancer, and I think that's pretty much about all that you are supposed to retain. And then we'll also unscrew and remove all of the sensors too, because the sensors are only 1,000 or 2,000 miles of use on them. And the injectors are all new too. So anyway, that's it. We're going to get going on it. And